All right. Remember the man who come with story similar to me with my friend them. Who am I to take this story to clarify it? And that's what I'm not looking to, you know. In my common friend story, who am I to in a suggestion to try to fix a situation like that when me and him have similar problem? That is why I don't say no pick up the story, I'll know.
Yeah, I mean, who have sense get it?
That's the only reason I mean I say nothing but why you carry it. I have to carry it because you don't want to hear it, you don't want to know it, it's in the media. But I'm not going to elaborate on it and put it aside because it's a touching story with me. So I just love it and listen and work it out.
At the end of the day, we are keep a show.
Yeah, but all right. You see, the end of the day is, as well, let me go off somebody say you read it wrong. Okay, darling. All right. You see, the end of the day, let me go off it this way. Him say one hype, so we read it then. All right, know that him get it then. Him get it from Rose because Rose come. So from Rose come in and Rose chat up to him. All right, him get it. All right, let's see it go from there. Not saying whether Rose can war with him or not. Rose just maybe like say, all right, she not in the mood for war. Whether she decides that she can't manage him, she just decides that she not war with him. She say, all right, take it, you win. All right, you done. She know the assignment because she knows it from she not argue with him. And him go on, him go get the victory. So she give him it done. So all him do, him just turn the other cheek and do for him things. Simple.
Yes, if you want to keep him match, you're not going to keep him match, nobody can stop him.
And guys, you all have to remember that Tikki people then came over here and they said what they said. Queen Bella is a part of Rose team. Okay, so on a camp, Basha, there's no bias over here. Bella is over here, even if she was over Rosealee. She's not
why
being
them say bias? Why them say? All right, let me say something, Bralin.
Because it doesn't make sense.
Let me say something. Me and Rosealee are friend. All right, one. Everybody know me and her in the media. We have a call it friend. We mix. All right, good. People chat bad about me, and Rosealee shut them down and said, don't care that my name over here. Don't turn nothing bad about the man over here. Okay, true. Me witness that. All right. Now, this come. Rosealee know me do mix up, sure. Is there relevancy even for Rose in the same situation? I just they say, me not see where me for be biased. Me I pick Rose side. Me and Rose are friend.
And you make that very clear.
Me I make pick Rose side. There's no question behind it. And that is why I say too, you know, say, me have to refer it to Blink. We just interrogate. Don't forget, me never say, me keep court case because nobody never see me in a judge clothes. Me say, we are interrogate him. And me tell me I'll call Blink. Blink see me one long text. Me come over there, but as me come over there, what she name they did leave. Me I'll send call Blink. Blink say later she deal with it. All right, so you that say no, we shouldn't take it up. We shouldn't hear him out. Nobody can say we shouldn't hear him out. We shouldn't hear him out.
No, because they wanted you to curse Rosealee. That's what they wanted. And that's because they didn't get that now. That's why they must say you're biased. Because Tikki did really kind of dip up underneath her group Kappa. So they want you to go with Tikki.
I see. I agree with him. I can't agree with him. Remember, our world in a Rosealee world.
Yeah, Rosealee world.
Stage. Regardless of why him come, him want the boss, him want to get no wrong with that, but he go back to one thing. He go by levels to this thing. We can't give him such a big excitement, you know, a glory over Rosealee in the game.
Rosealee are the star. I'm just a try to cuss a star.
Anyway, we're going to change the topic and that's it, you know. So we rule it to send it to Miss Bling. Miss Bling will deal with it. Yeah, Rosealee might feel a little way home and deal with the situation. But when she go back and look into herself, she's going to say, sure, I think that I didn't do anything. I not pay my mind. So, me not pray Rosealee, me not pray none of them. But in reality, me not make you push me to say nothing. Fuck off. Rose, me say. Because we have a blood clot, me need to go for say me say.
Right, that's right.
But the thing is, as me one person come up and say, IT, me love how you stay out that thing and listen. Well, obviously, I may bring the show. If me never bring the show, it wouldn't be entertained. The good thing about it, me not mix it up. Me not push it. Yeah, all right, you want another joke now. You see, when me say, demonstrate to us, cuss, make we hear how you the next round of cussing go. All I want to know, say me know, say, baga, the excitement, that me a push. Why are you pushing that? Because that him want. So since you want that, take it then. Take it then. Because I don't feel like say Rose don't want you. I don't feel like say you have a misunderstanding. When Rose come, Rose before Rose come, Rose realize that give me and give it.
Yeah.
That's all it is. No
Well,
bad mind. If she did really bad minding, she wouldn't come to seal it. When she come over here, she come to seal it because she never did have to come. There's a way, there's a way, me not business only want to say in the social media because I watch and watch. There's a way we conduct the thing as a media personnel, TikToker, how we do our content. Somehow we do it with no limit. We don't care. Somehow we do it with limit like myself. So, not because the boy want the little hype, me go stifling. For what? When it is a free world, the only thing we not blame him for is me entertain the fucker because me just bust the energy. I wouldn't say bust him. It's a free world. TikTok that every blood clot body. Everybody can bust anytime, but can you maintain it? Look how long Rose out there have our name and Rose I maintain it. Look how long me out there have my name and we maintain it. Don't we drop off? Look how much people have them name and them come out there and them not maintain it. So the bottom line is the gate pull for everybody. Let's see how you entertain it.
okay, guys, we have a gift vote. Who the on Rosalie side? Who they can send a star, and who the on where RTS want to send a donut or art. Click the gift box and wanna vote by gift.
But all you know is here. People can cuss me.
Click the gift box up on the upper left.
Look on the first two comments. Shake my head. Lady, kiss my teeth. Let me sing it. Shake my head, lady, kiss my teeth. One TikTok.
Wanna vote with gift, people. Vote with gift.
It's my fucking teeth. You see?
The other something them.
Like really now, one TikTok when you buy so you see?
13 seconds left, people. Now vote with gifts.
Somebody spice it up now. Move your ass. One TikTok kiss your teeth is a song. Gift nobody.
All right.
Yes,
It's a work, people. It's a work.
Bias courtroom. Tikki. Where's Derrick?
All right. So let me ask you that question.
Let me restart it, people. Go.
Let me say something to. Let me talk to Tikki people. And when I say one Tikki, let me say something to.
Gift.
Let me say something to you. Let me say something to you. I meant Tikki over Derrick. I am working with Derrick. The reason why this day here is Derrick. I'm my boss. Derrick request this case, and I give it to Derrick. So me gonna tell me say. Me no business only want say me bias, me base, me this, me that, whatever. Fuck it. One Rosealee big back blood clot. Yes. Yes, one Rosealee big back blood clot. No time me want butcher blood clot and me love it the same way. So leave me and me Rose.
Wanna vote with the no look and heart and whatever. And donut.
When you talk about voting and that and doing that, but you again, oh, Ras.
You not show me a
Yeah,
bit.
I give. It's on the left hand side.
I never know say something goes up with you.
The man, the moderator, you know, go like some a position.
Yeah, when you vote.
Okay, guys, I'm gonna restart it again. The donut is for RT, and the other stuff is for what name? Tikki.
The thing is, people, the end of the day is I cannot agree with you and I cannot say one Tikki to please you. I respect Tikki my doing thing, but you want me to say one Tikki.
People.
We don't want me to say one Tikki because I don't want to say Rose wrong. I cannot say Rose wrong because me upon Rose side, I will defend Rose until the day we fall out.
RT is the donut, and the other stuff is for Tikki. Vote.
Alright, I can move from that. One Tikki, one Rose, but Rose did the first, and Rose are the big woman of the game. So I can't dash a Rose to nobody. If Tikki want to come in at the game and he want to be a part of it, I hope him can angle it. Wish him the best. That's so. Me never own so bad mind. I just that's right there. And Rosealee was there first, so me have to deal with the elder them.
RT.
Big up to Tikki same way. He might do him thing, him just a come and he can handle the grum because he's more bad. Me give him that. So him just do him thing. Me not go bias.
Second left.
So who know in the comment room and say me bias. Then if you and your people rap together, right? And them and people fall out and you carry the news or whatever, you go and come come out and go like you want to bring down the people them. No. Me and the person have no to cast that energy there, so they can't see my bias.
Yeah, they don't like Rosealee, and that's the problem. And then next week when Rosealee and Tikki become friends again, then it is what it is. Because they're gonna become friends again. This is TikTok. Me hear worse than that and the people them talk now.
Alright, answer the question there, Bella. Why Vani, somebody want to know the cussing part. So you can answer that, somebody?
Why Vani cuss Taya? Vani cuss out her nastiness because she care people name and go say them might put bad comment underneath I's picture. When Vani say show me the receipt, she can't present the receipt. Alright, that's what me say.
Alright.
Yes.
Ladies and gentlemen, we're going to adjourn till 7 p.m. All arise in this immediate session. So we'll be adjourned till 7. We have an excellent time. We bring forth an energy. So we will be back later at 7. So we all arise. I don't have my hammer, so I can beat my door.
Okay, Your Honor.
Court adjourned.
All right, ladies and gentlemen. See you back later. When you come back, I will give you guys $1,000 each and free champagne. Big up on yourself.
That's rich.
Blessing, Bella.
All right, darling.
Bella, the partner, don't forget the small partner, the royal family. Small partner, it starts June 7 and it's 3,500 is a limit. We don't want to go over that because we already have the big partner for $10,000 already. The people are mature good in the small one. We can manage it. Then we transfer them over in the big one. We start back December. Big up on yourself.
Bossy. The small one, how long it took a run for?
We're doing it for all right. I could do the maths one last time I'm going. If it is $3,500 and $100 a week, how much months that?
4 months.
That's
Where much people them?
5 months. That month that's too long. We can't take it month them too long, man.
That kind of stretch out. But make it same. I remember say one of it overlap the other man. It can't go on.